Love it, don't you?
Oh, yes.
Stanley would have worked better. Not professional enough. Not allowed within a metre or one. Look at that.
With an easy roller cabinet, 7 drawers, with bracket, safety up, door.
Hey-o.
This is VGE tool. 50 cents of tools up to 1,000 volts. Certified in a robust 3-tier carrier case.
Look at them. No, these fans will look good on that air gun they will.
He's not going there using air guns.
Wow.
Proper job done first time every time.
What a waste of a good box. Waste of a good cardboard box. Sandy will only rip it up and put it in the bin before we need it anyway.
Ready for all the tools to go in at home. Magnetic sprays, casters, handles. Right, that's the toolbox for the tools. This is the most important tool that I do. This is the most important tool, and then it's all I do. This is all deadline tool. What you do is when someone gets electrocuted, rip it out of them and pull them off the job so your eyeballs don't get flamed coming out of them. So there's a mat to stand on so you're not electrocuted when you come to the floor. Here's another protective cover. What's in this?
There you go.
High voltage. Cat 3.
Yeah, Cat 3 multimeter.
Here's your torque bits. There's your small screwdrivers.
Allen
There's
keys.
They're insulated gloves.
Yeah.
Posters to say don't go near. Handle
No
covers.
cable.
Yeah. Wire strippers. do not operate. Thing is, glove inserts, so each individual person who's trained has got their own individual inserts, so they're not cross-contaminating any dirt.
They all designs on the bonnet, don't they?
Some kind of isolation clamps.
Shut down timer.
Magnet. What's that?
Shut down timer so you can time how long it takes.
We need to see that on every job you have. Insulated toolkit for another socket set. Torque wrench, so when you want everything tightened up properly we can.
Safety padlock for putting on your when you take your isolator off.
Yeah. More pins, more stickers, more signs, etc. Danger, high voltage, don't go near. Steering wheel cover, so if it is thingy, do not start or move this vehicle. That's brilliant, that. Sandy pants can start putting stuff in drawers, right?
Get it, Dean. Oh no, you're not being very careful though, are you?
I'm excited. It was your birthday last week, I'm more excited today.
Don't let Sam hear you say
I
that.
would never say that to Samantha. She knows that I love her more than anything. Right, insulated socket bits.
Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers, pick set, insulated spanners. So realistically, if we're working on your hybrid, we're doing it properly.
Yeah.
And I'm normally the only garage in the area which is first to have this. It's the easy way of spending a couple of £1,000, but if you're going to do it right, you're going to do it right. If you're not going to do it right,
You're going to do it wrong. There's the post.
there's the pad, post to the pads and chains.
Yeah, pads for the post.
And chains to stop everyone going near your job. There you go. We're now fully equipped with all the tooling and the training to work on your hybrids and electric vehicles.